Little Rabbit's Tale by Wong Herbert Yi. Little Rabbit sleeps under an old apple tree. Just then the wind starts to blow. The branches shift in the wind. Thump! Something hits Little Rabbit. "Oh no, the sky is falling," yells Little Rabbit. "I've got to try to tell everyone." Little Rabbit hops off to find Goose. Goose sits in his rowboat. The tip of his rod starts to twitch. "There is no time to fish," yells Little Rabbit. "The sky is falling." "Let's go, Little Rabbit. We need to go tell Beaver." Goose and Little Rabbit use the rowboat. They go up the stream. Goose peeks inside. Beaver is eating a snack. "There's no time to eat," says Goose. "Let's go. The sky is falling." "Oh my," says Beaver. "We need to go tell Turtle." Beaver, Goose, and Little Rabbit dash up the hill. Turtle sleeps under a log. Tap, tap. Beaver taps on Turtle's shell. Turtle peeks out. "There's no time to sleep," says Beaver. "Let's go. The sky is falling." "Oh no," yells Turtle. "What can we do?" "Let's run back home," says Little Rabbit. "I want to tell my mother." Turtle, Beaver, Goose, and Little Rabbit run fast. They hop over the log and dash down the hill and jump into Goose's rowboat. Then they go as fast as they can down the stream. Little Rabbit hops in the door. "Mother, the sky is falling." "Who told you such a thing?" asks Mother Rabbit. "Beaver told me," says Turtle. "Goose told me," says Beaver. "Little Rabbit told me," says Goose. "Well, let's just go outside and look at the sky," says Mother Rabbit. Just then the wind starts to blow. The branches start to shift in the wind. Thump! Something hits Little Rabbit. "Oh no, the sky is falling," yells Little Rabbit. "The sky is not falling," laughs Mother Rabbit. "An apple just fell from the apple tree." "I didn't get to catch a fish," says Goose. "I didn't get to eat my snack," says Beaver. "I didn't get to sleep," says Turtle. "I've got a plan," says Little Rabbit. "Can my friends eat with us?" "Yes," says Mother Rabbit. "Go wash your hands while I get more plates." Hooray! Little Rabbit has a nice meal with his friends, and after that, they all have homemade apple treats. The friends lived happily ever after.